Please subscribe to my channel MIG Teaching and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the new notification.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a poem about friends. It's about English 5th standard poem it is. The Friends poem is written by Abby Farwell Brown. The poem is about the nature. In this whole poem we are going to see how nature it is and how we are going to appreciate the nature. Let's start the poem. Friends. How good to lie a little while, how good to lie a little while and look up through the tree, and look up through the tree. The sky is like a kind big smile. The sky is like a kind big smile. Bend sweetly over me, bend sweetly over me. The sunshine flickers through the lace. The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above my head, of leaves above my head, and kisses me upon the face, and kisses me upon the face, like mother before bed, like mother before bed. The wind comes stealing over the grass. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things, to whisper pretty things. And though I cannot see him pass, and though I cannot see him pass, I feel his careful wings, I feel his careful wings. So many gentle friends are near. So many gentle friends are near, whom can scarcely see, whom one can scarcely see. A child should never feel a fear, a child should never feel a fear, wherever he may be, wherever he may be. Yes friends, this is the poem about friends. Now let's start what the poet is telling about. How good to lie a little while and look up through the tree. The poet is enjoying lying how it is very fine to lie under a tree and see the nature. The poet or a boy is lying under the tree. What he is seeing? He is seeing the big sky. The sky is just looking like a big smile coming over him, and the smile is very sweet smile, very kind smile that is giving a pleasant feel to the poet. Now the sunshine flickers through the lace. The sun rays are flickering. Flickering means just coming in a dim type, not full shiny, just dim it is. It is coming through the lace of leaves above my head. From where the sunshine is coming? The sunshine is coming in between the leaves. That is, it is just giving a ray on, putting on the light is on the face of the child, and kisses me upon the face. How does it look like? It is like a kiss, the kiss given by the mother. The kiss given by the mother is very sweet, very kind, very lovely. The sunshine is just giving the feeling to that boy. The feel is like a kiss given by the mother when the child goes to bed. Before the child is going to bed, every mother used to kiss the children. So the feel is like that only, the sweet feel, the kind feel given by a mother. The feel is that feel is given now the child is getting from the sun shines. Next, the wind comes stealing over the grass. The wind comes stealing means the wind has nothing to take permission. Stealing means to get something without the permission. We don't ask permission when we are stealing something. We don't ask permission. The wind, the air, it doesn't want any permission from anyone to pass through. So now what happening? The cold, the warm wind is blowing. How? What does it giving? It is whispering pretty things. Whispering. Whisper means some sound that is very little, not loud. Sound that is not so loud. A small bit of sound it comes. Silent sound. Whisper. Something we are going to whisper in the airs, no? That the sound that is made by the wind. Something whispering in the ears we will do. The air that is whispering, like that sound the child feels. And though I cannot see them pass, we can't see the wind, children. Can we see the wind? No, we can't see the wind. But what we can do? We only feel it. We only feel the warm, the cool, the tender, the thunder, everything we are going to feel it. The child here is feeling the wind. Feeling the wind which is passing over the grass. See how beautifully they are describing the nature, isn't it? What the child first felt? The child first described about the sky as a big kind smile, sweet smile. Then the sunshine, the sunshine feels him like a sweet and a kind hug or a kiss given by the mother to the children. Next the wind. The wind is like a whispering something in the ears. Isn't it very cute? Isn't it very beautiful? Yes. Now that the poet is telling the others, so many gentle friends are near. So many gentle, sweet, kind, helpful friends are near. Gentle means those who are helpful, those who are very kind, everything. So many gentle friends, helpful friends, kind friends are there around us, whom you can scarcely see. Scarcely see means we can't see them all. For example, we can see the sky, we can see the sun, we can see the sunshine, but we can't see the wind, the air, everything. So a child should never feel a fear. Yes, children, wherever you go, wherever you are going alone, don't think that you are alone in this world. You are going alone, no one is with you. No, it is the nature which is following you. It is the beautiful nature created by the God. So all these nature creations are with you, they are following you. So we have to be very much thankful to the friends. These friends are bringing smile to our face. These friends are giving one beautiful hug, kisses to our face. The friends are just murmuring in our ears, wind, and these friends are making our life very beautiful. So this is the story, this is the poem about the nature which that Abbie Farwell Brown has described very beautiful.